Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy trick to find the cinnamon crown dove in Heartopia. And in here you can use it to level up your bird watching hobby faster. So first, this bird becomes available once you reach bird watching hobby level 6. And after that, you can find it at the fishing village, more precisely at the East Pier of fishing village like this. And the good news is that it can appear every day and it will spawn all weather conditions like sunny, rainy, or rainbow. So just go to the sphere of fishing village. The locations is on here, this one. Just go to this area and then just walk around like usual. And then when you spot this bird, just equip your scanner and then just start to bird watching this bird. However, this bird can be tricky to spot because, unlike many birds, the cinnamon crown dove stays on the ground and it can easily blend into the grass like this. Maybe you can difficult to spot this bird. So in here, I highly recommend using the auto bird whistle to help detect nearby birds more efficiently. And then after reactivating this auto bird whistle, just simply walk around to the sphere and watch for the yellow indicator. You can see the yellow indicator. And when you see one, just equip your scanner and then just carefully look around that area. And once you find the cinnamon crown dove like this, just take a photo to add it to your collections and you will increase your hobby progress. And okay, that's the easiest trick to find the cinnamon crown dove. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!